All right, we're in doing some hardwood floor cleaning. Haven't been up here yet. Haven't been out here in the hallway yet. We've got some of the process started. There's our cleaning product right there. Red buffing pads, white buffing pads, mopping stuff. Slow speed with the red buffing pad. That's how we clean it. Got product on the floor right here. We've scrubbed. And we got the old Noble high-speed buffer to polish it back. Just put it on with a spray. So this has not been done over here. This is in the process. And this back in here has been cleaned. So we let it dry real good. Flat mop it, get it to dry a little bit faster for us. It kind of dulls out, but it'll shine right back up. So that's the process. We'll give you a look at it after we get done burnishing it. So, John with Home Make Reflections. 513-817-1700. HomeMakeReflections.com, Facebook, YouTube. Look us up. Give us a call. See you.